Welcome to today's tutorial using special sensors to monitor air quality for COPD patients. So in this tutorial, we're going to be testing the amount of toxicity in the air. We've already designed the project, and this project composes of this design. It has a 20 by 4 LCD screen, and it has two sensors, MQ136 and MQ135, and it's also IoT-based project. So that means that all sensor readings are exported to a TeamSpeak platform where they can be further analyzed. And here is our welcome message. Okay, so far it's saying that it is connected and the alarms are off. Okay, it's searching for connections. Okay, now it's connected. So you can see the level of the CO2 in ppm, the level of the hydrogen sulphide, ammonia concentration, and methane gas.